Dear friends, let us continue with one more multiple choice question MCQ. We have been considering few. Now, let us continue with this. Which of the following, these are the three, Roman 1, 2, 3, which of the following exhibit tautomerism? This was asked in one of the AIPMT pre-medical test all India. Now it is NEET. Whether only one, two or all the three, the four options, you will directly go for answer. Tautomerism is a general terminology that way, and keto-enol tautomerism in it is a specific terminology. Although the terminology the word keto is used, it is applicable to aldehydes and ketones both. The requirement is presence of at least one alpha hydrogen atom, means alpha CH bond. It can be aldehyde. If it were a hydrogen atom, it can be aldehyde, it can be ketone. So, I have written a skeleton to just go through the basic concept, and by using that we will directly solve the example. So, here there are in this skeleton, here it can be any hydrogen, alkyl, methyl, ethyl, propyl. Carbon which is directly attached to functional group carbonyl carbon is alpha carbon. So, such alpha CH bond, three such alpha CH bonds are present, at least one is required. Therefore, it will take part. What happens is that alpha hydrogen atom, it forms bond with carbonyl oxygen, and the sigma CH bond, the shared pair, it forms a pi bond. Now, we will not go into detail mechanism, it is not difficult. Alpha CH bond, the alpha hydrogen atom is acidic, and therefore, because of carbonyl group, like what we had studied in case of aldol, similar thing, and the hydrogen in the form of H plus ions will form or will protonate, and after protonation, then the pi electrons will get transmitted here. So, similar type of mechanism. Now, we will directly write, and therefore, what happens is this. This is keto form, alpha CH bond is present, hydrogen atom, and therefore, this is called as enol form, and this is basically keto form. So, it takes place on its own, and keto form is always in majority, more than 98, 99. Under certain conditions, if there is a conjugation, resonance or acidic condition, then percentage of enol form will increase. So, this much if it is known to us, enol form, then let us apply here. This is cyclic ketone, a ring of carbon atoms and alpha carbon atom. Alpha CH bonds are alpha, two hydrogen atoms are present here. Same is true for here, carbon atom, alpha carbon atom, carbon directly attached to carbonyl carbon, functional group carbon. And this type of, therefore, this type of enol formation means hydrogen 4 are available at a time 1, hydrogen will get switched over to this oxygen, and pi bond will be formed between these two carbon atoms, giving rise to tautomerism. Tautomerism is a general terminology, and under that we are considering a specific keto-enol tautomerism. So, for this I can write, or same thing is possible here also, but here we should remember that carbon which is present here, two hydrogen atoms are directly attached. Carbon which is present here forms a double bond with this carbon, one hydrogen is present, this carbon is sp2, this is sp3, here sp2 is overlapping sp2 hybrid orbital of carbon in this carbon-carbon double bond. The strength of this CH bond is more, therefore, this will not take part in keto-enol tautomerism. This will take part, this will take part, similarly this will take part. So, for this case, on both sides the CH bond, alpha CH bonds take part. Here only this carbon will take part. I can write enol form for this. So, from that you can get the idea for this. Let me write it here. CH bond, hydrogen will get switched over to this oxygen, and the pi bond will then get transmitted between the carbon atoms, and what we get is and the hydrogen, let me write it by using color, and on this carbon now will be present only one hydrogen atom. The remaining groups will remain intact, no change. So, that one is the enol form for this. Such type of enol form is possible here on both sides. So, keto-enol tautomerism is possible for this, it is possible for this example, Roman 1, Roman 2 both. Now, if we follow that routine logic, carbonyl group of aldehyde or ketone and alpha CH bond, sp3 hybridized carbon alpha CH bond, this CH bond or this CH bond will not take part in such type of keto-enol tautomerism. If we follow that, now on this side carbon is sp2, although one CH bond is present, this will not take part in enol formation, and here although alpha carbon is present, hydrogen atom directly attached to carbon is absent, and therefore, enol formation as per our routine whatever up till now we have studied, enol formation for this should not be possible. Enol formation for this is possible by considering this carbon atom and not this. Enol formation for this example is possible by considering both alpha carbon atoms that I have explained you. But in this case, what we say out of the box, especially in acidic condition, because of electron withdrawing effect of carbonyl group and conjugation, electron withdrawing effect of oxygen, carbonyl group is polar and there is a conjugation pi, sigma pi, and this conjugation has certain effect on this carbon. And especially in acidic condition, what happens is this free H plus ions means dilute acid, dilute HCl, dilute H2SO4. Protonation of this lone pair will take place. Protonation of the lone pair, if it takes place, what we get is this H plus ion from acid, positive charge, double bond, two methyl groups usual. Here carbon is present, two hydrogen atoms are there. Now, because in acidic condition, because of protonation, positive charge is developed on this oxygen carbonyl group, earlier it was carbonyl group. So, this becomes still more electron deficient, it will pull the electron density more, and pi sigma pi is a conjugation. So, because of that, the ultimate effect of all this is that this hydrogen becomes more acidic. Therefore, it has tendency to get removed in the form of H plus ions, and not only it becomes acidic, the moment it gets removed, the hydrogen gets removed in the form of H plus ions, this sigma get converted into this pi. The moment this gets converted into pi, the pi will get transmitted here. This pi, when it gets transmitted here, it will get shared between here. So, I will show it now directly, the steps and stages we have considered earlier. So, this sigma gets transmitted here in the form of pi bond, then the pi will get transmitted here, and this pi, when it gets shared here, the pi among this will get transmitted to oxygen in the form of lone pair. So, if that happens, what we get is this. Carbon, one hydrogen is present, the sigma bond, this gets transmitted here, and the moment this pi bond gets shared here, the pi gets transmitted to oxygen, giving rise to a lone pair. One lone pair was already present. Two methyl groups as usual. So, this is how here the hydrogen had entered from acid in the form of proton, and when this converts into this, one hydrogen leaves in the form of proton. So, proton from HCl, dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4 enters in the first step, and hydrogen goes out in the form of proton. So, the compensation takes place, and what we get is this. So, again this is what we can say enol form. So, whatever is a basic requirement, presence of alpha CH bond, that to sp3 carbon, that much knowledge, and on the basis of that we should be able to explain these such type of examples. But there are some exceptions, and especially in acidic condition, and because of resonance, and in acidic condition this gets protonated, means this becomes still more electron withdrawing, and because of that even the carbon which is directly attached to carbonyl carbon, this is alpha, this is beta, this is gamma, even gamma carbon also take part in enol formation. So, this is a special case, or we can say exception under these new conditions. So, the answer for this, as per our routine study, we would have said that keto-enol tautomerism is possible for 1 and 2. For this, in this case, there are 2 available carbon atoms, alpha CH bonds, here only on this, but especially protonation of this in acidic condition and conjugation, and after enol formation the stability because of conjugation, pi sigma pi, pi sigma lone pair sigma pi sigma pi. So, this is a stability, resonance stability, and therefore, keto-enol tautomerism is possible for all 3, and therefore, the option among the 4 options, all 1, 2, 3 will be the correct option in this case.